I have a question about PPC. Is it possible to target anything you want? Because I know that we have prohibited keywords for SEO, but for PPC, I'm not sure if we have prohibited terms.
No. All right. This is a great question. Okay. So with SEO, if you put in a prohibited term like CBD on a hemp product, even if it's just in the alt text of a keyword image, you're going to get that product yanked. But in PPC, it's totally fair game. You can have any prohibited keyword in PPC. You can bid on trademark terms. You can bid on anything whatsoever. So the benefits of advertising, especially if it's on a product that's hard to rank for keywords, is that you don't have any limitations. So rest assured, if you're trying to advertise a fringe product that you can't make a certain claim on, you can do it in advertising. No problem. This will never lead to a product yank. This will never lead to an adult flag. This won't lead to a misclassification or categorization on Amazon. The ads do not affect any listing quality things. That's the good news. Great question. I've never been asked that before, and it's in retrospect, that is something I should have spoken about prior. So you've already achieved mission. Good job.
Thank you. I was asking that because we have brand that it's Intime, feminine health. So we have boric acid, libido booster, and hormone balance supplement, and all those things in Canada.
Yeah. So same challenge with anything topical or consumable in Canada. They have more stringent requirements than the United States.